Good morning, everyone. Здравствуйте. Говорите ли вы по-английски? Да? Очень хорошо. Let's start. Today, I want to solve a type of equations, but I will use my own method, an unproved method. The goal of my methods to get a more smart, more reasonable solution. This topic we have discussed in another of my video before. I would like right now to talk about it more detail, since it is so interesting. The first problem is from YouTube. The rest all created by myself. This is the first question I got from YouTube. We change this equation to form a function fx, right? You just move right side to left side. Now I let u equals to this expression, this part. Then from original equation we have x equals 2 equals 1 minus 2 squared u. You can see here. Let gx equals to this. Instead of this one, we use u, but we write u as x, and this one you can factorize it easy. Since u and x sound like they are similar to each other, so I suppose gx is a vector of fx. In fact, fx equals gx multiplied by this. So fx equals 0. I mean, our equation can be solved without a problem now. Am I right? And the equation? Okay, let me give you another example. Suppose we have x equals 3 plus x cubed, then all thing cubed again. We use the same method to solve it. Move right side to left side, we have fx like this. We use u equals to this expression. 3 plus x cubed. Then from this one, we have x equals 3 plus u cubed. So we let gx equals to just like fx, but you change this part, use this expression, but here instead of u, I use x. This is some kind of a trick. Alright. Immediately I can suppose fx equals gx multiplied by something. So gx is part of fx. Solutions of gx equals 0 is a part of solutions of x equals 0, obviously. So this is nice part, but we just separated to two parts, gx and this. Gx we can more easily solve, right? Okay. Next, this time we suppose the equation is this. So just move right side to the left side. We have fx equals x squared minus 3 minus this part, and this time we use u squared equals to this one. Then from this function, this equation, we have x squared equals 3 plus u to fourth power. Alright, fourth power. See, this is squared and squared again. So now key point, gx equals x squared minus 3 minus this part. This part is u to fourth power. U, because this is u squared, then squared again. So this part must be u to fourth power. And instead of variable u, we use x here. Then we can suppose fx equals gx multiplied something. So we can solve fx equals 0 first of all by solve gx equals 0. So that's my main point. You use function g. Right? Next. Now this time let us make an equation. You might understand my method better. First, suppose u cubed equals 2 plus x to 6th power. So x cubed equals same expression, 2 plus u to 6th power equals use this one to get this. So we have created equation like this. X cubed equals 2 plus x to 6th power, then square. So if you want to solve this, use fx gx. We find fx equals gx multiplied by this. So gx, that's easy to solve. This part easy to solve. So fx must be fx equals 0 must be easily solved. Is it amazing? But this is only my guess. What is the principle? I don't know. You tell me. Well, this is all for today. Let's read this. Нельзя быть математиком, не будучи в время, и поэтом в душе. Софья Васильевна Ковалевская. It is impossible to be a mathematician without being a poet in soul. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget subscribing my channel. Well, пока, bye-bye. До свидания. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye now.